Model Rocks 321 here again. Another video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumb up. We bring you model rockets, unboxings, tips on rockets, tricks, flights, crashes occasionally. Don't want those, but they tend to happen in this hobby. But this video is kind of an unboxing of something that's super cool, that's going crazy. It got the whole model rocket community on fire right now. I got my hands on one. Thank you to a subscriber. Appreciate this guy, man. I never met him personally, but he sent me one. It is super cool, and I appreciate it. I just want to read this letter right here. I'm not going to reveal his name. He don't want to be known, but he said, "Dear Keith, I hope you're doing well. I also hope this arrived without damage. I sincerely appreciate all you're doing on your YouTube channel. If anyone is deserving of having a limited edition kit, is you. Please feel free to use it however you see fit. Keep it sealed, sell it on eBay, or build and fly. I think I know what you'll choose based on your videos. Again, thanks for your efforts. They do not go unnoticed. Your content and your gratitude is amazing. I hope that you find this as encouragement. Sincerely." Peace to you, brother, man. That is super cool. I appreciate you for just wanting to do this. You had yours and you decided to give it to me. Man, that is huge. That is a big deal. That's there's hope for humanity in this world, man. That is cool, and it's coming through rocketry right now. I appreciate you being so generous. This is it. You guys probably saw what it is. So let's get into the contents. Thanks for ordering. Estes does these cards, and there's a signature of the person who packaged the order. That's a normal thing. And these 65th anniversary stickers are around. Estes has been putting these in package. They're so cool. And here we have what it's all about. All right, so I'm going to move this. All right, so they put this kit. I guess the rocket's in there. Hopefully this isn't a prank, but I think it's legit. It's legit. So 65th anniversary drawstring bag, printed bag. Some black tabs here with the little drawstrings there. And here inside, a little drawstring, a little ring. And now we're gonna unveil what was sent to me. I did not have a blue sapphire, and now I have a blue sapphire. This is Estes' 65th anniversary rocket, sold out super fast. I remember the email. I saw the email, and I went back later that day to go get one, and they were gone. They flew off the shelf. So here it is. The 2023 65th anniversary. Estes has been around. We got this kit called the Blue Sapphire. Seems like a pretty cool design. I mean, the fin design is what makes it unique. I like how they did. Okay, that fin's black. I like that they flipped that around, kind of like a roll pattern kind of deal, but dark colors. But you can kind of see some roll. You may see some roll action there if something's happening. So the rocket once built is 18.8 inches tall. The diameter is 0.98, almost an inch, pretty much an inch. So I guess it would be a what, BT50, I believe, BT50. So we have parachute recovery. This kit date is March 17th, 2023. It is an intermediate build. And as we look to the back, we will see, yep, balsa fins, got your motor mount, and a balsa nose cone, actually. This is similar to it almost has the shape here of the Black Brant, but this is an all balsa one, and I see it still kind of has a curve to it. It's not flat from what I can tell, because the Black Brant has a flat. It's kind of flat, and then it goes off into its angle. But yeah, so pretty standard kit, but highly collectible, man. People are these things are going nuts right now on eBay. Like, these are going nuts. So I got one. I didn't have one. I missed it. A kind person, a cool person decided to send me one, and I appreciate this so much. This is super cool, man. So, man, this is a big deal. I appreciate this a lot. This may end up getting built at some point. I'm gonna hold on to it. I wouldn't mind flying it. Wouldn't mind sending it up there. But yeah, that is pretty cool. So I have a blue sapphire now. Estes only produced 300, as you saw in my other video. If you haven't seen that video, go look back. Estes put this kit out and limit it to 300 when they've been around for 65 years, which myself and others seem to agree that it seemed like Estes would have did a longer run for, you know, for the fans. But this creates collectability. It's pretty cool. It's a good marketing thing. Scarcity, you know. But Very cool. This rocket will fly 1,200 feet, so that's a pretty good. Oh, it even flies on half A6 too, half A6-2 engines, and a C65, of course, the standard. But I appreciate this so much, man. This is awesome. So Model Rocks 321 guys, use the discount code over at Estes, estesrockets.com, website right there. They got Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Use the discount code. Put that in, get yourself a discount. Get yourself a discount. These come back out, use it on this rocket. Use it on anything that's on the site. And that checkout, put the discount code in there, and get yourself something from estesrockets.com. 65th anniversary. I have a blue sapphire. This is cool, man. This is cool. So it's Model Rocks 321, and I am out. Have a good day.